Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm down at my allotment again. Despite having the flu and everything, I'm not fully recovered, but we've had a couple of days of frost. So I just come down to have a look and see. I was meant to start doing some tidying up and that, but I can't really get anything done. The ground is frozen solid this time. These are my onions and my garlics. They're looking worse for wear now because they've had quite a lot of frost taken on. You can see the beds are frozen over, the ground and everything is completely solid. I've got my onions in this bed, and you can see they're frozen as well. I've still got a bit of tidying up to do, but I can't really do nothing. My cameraman's down with the flu very badly, so we've got all this stuff here to tidy up. Sorry about if the video is a bit jumpy. I have to do this on my phone, so it just jumps around every now and then. I need to get one of them stabilizers for it. You can see all these pots and things. I should have been out the way if we was 100%, but that's how it goes. See, my chard is frozen. You can actually see how thick the frost is on that. See how thick the frost is on that. I've got my daffodil plants coming through on here. Don't know if they're daffodils or lilies, one of the two, but I planted some in here. And you can see this is absolutely frozen solid. Let's have a look in this polytunnel. You can see even in the polytunnel the walls are frozen. Everything in here looks frozen as well. I had my lettuces coming up, but it looked like they can't take too much of the cold. If it was a bit warmer in there, then we would have been all right, but it looks like it's a bit too cold for them in there. My other plants, the only thing what seems to be doing well in there at the moment is the strawberries are doing quite well, and my carrots are doing well. Just give those a little bit of water. I have to do this one-handed. And I've got my garlics which were frozen. These were actually frozen, and I put them in a bucket. You can see they're coming on nicely, and some have got mildew. I'll pull those ones out when I see them, but they seem to be coming on all right. Got one potato coming through, and I could see with this one, I could see pushing sort of, so they must probably be out soon as well, so can't really do nothing much. These were the strawberries that I planted. or replanted. They seem to be doing all right, but it's still cold. All these things I'm gonna have to get off the shelf and get everything more or less sorted. I've got sorry about the snivelling and everything and the video. I've got these fine plants down here. Give those a bit of water. So these, just wet the soil of these again. Don't know, it's a bit too cold for everything right now. They said that the weather's gonna come back this week, so hopefully see all these peppers and everything. Now I need to get these out. These ain't coming back next year. And I need to get all this fennel and everything out of here as well. That's what the fennel looks like. Need to get that out. I thought it was going to be bulbs, but someone said you use it like this on fish and everything, but I don't know. So this is a fine. Just gave that a bit of water. So really now what I need to start doing now, once I've got over this flu, get my potatoes in. These are my spinach. Need to get these out as well. Once I get over the flu now, I'm gonna get my potato buckets in. Get some of our chitted potatoes in. You can see that is frozen solid. Frozen solid. And these are the garlics again. I don't know how many bouts of frost these have taken, but these are frozen. You can see they're solid. They've taken a lot, but hopefully we should get some nice bulbs from them. Then I've got everywhere more or less good enough to go. So if you like our videos, please remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. You can leave a comment in the comment section, we will get back to you on them. And I hope everybody's well. I know a lot of my subscribers are down with the flu at the moment, but this flu doesn't seem to want to go. But you know, you just persevere on with it. So that's just a quick video of what's going on down here. I know there's not much to show you, but you know, I still have to come and check and do what I can. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. You take care until then.